So here it is, guys, my first modification that I'm going to be doing. They were supposed to do this at the shop, but again, because we're under stay-at-home orders, it was just easier to get it and do it myself. So yeah, this is a backrest. I already have the pad for it, but this is the rest to actually put it on. So we're gonna do that today, and hopefully it's as easy as they say it is. So this is the Harley Davidson Holdfast Attachable Sissybar uprights, and it's supposed to fit anywhere from the 2018 Softails and up. So it's supposed to be quick to disconnect, just like the saddlebags. So let's see how it goes. So at the dealership, they've already installed the locking mechanisms. So that was the first part on the instructions. So that's already done. So I think all I need to do is mount it and put the backrest on. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see, here's the mechanism. That first part goes in, and then the back part, and it's a thing you pull out, put in. Right, that's unlocked, or that's unlocked. Sorry, get a better camera angle. That's unlocked, and then pull out, put in. That's locked, and that's all it takes to put it on. So let's put it on. So it was actually pretty simple. The only issue I had was the mounting brackets. These ones, so these ones were on the front and those ones were on the back, and this didn't fit into this one. So I just had to take all the bags off and switch them around. And then other than that, it's as simple as clicking those two things up. I guess you have to do it at the same time. And then it comes off. So it's simple enough. Now to put the top bracket on. So there, the bracket goes on, and the pad on the front. It doesn't look, I was a little worried because it's like nothing's to stop it from going down. I guess just the torque of the bolts hold it there, but we'll see. Yeah. So there you go. That's my first modification on my own to the bike. It's a saddle rest for my wife and my daughter, because my daughter likes to ride it more than my my wife. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.